If you're struggling with stubborn CAPTCHA errors in Chrome, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix these issues step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know several tried and true methods to get CAPTCHAs working again reliably, so you can breeze past those little puzzles instead of getting stuck. Let's dive right in. First up, the simplest fix, refreshing the page. Sometimes CAPTCHAs just don't load correctly. This could be due to a slow connection, a hiccup in Chrome, or the website itself. Just press Ctrl+R on your keyboard or click the reload icon next to the address bar in Chrome. I know this sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often a simple refresh solves the problem. Think of it like turning a device off and on again. Give it a moment and see if the CAPTCHA reloads. If not, let's keep going. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores a bunch of information from sites you visit, and occasionally this data can get corrupted, interfering with loading CAPTCHAs. To do this, head to Chrome, Settings, Clear Browser Data. Just type that right into your address bar. Once you're there, make sure to tick Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Click Clear Data, then go ahead and restart Chrome. This step removes old site info, giving CAPTCHAs a fresh start. Don't worry, the worst that can happen is you might have to log back into a few sites. Now, let's talk about browser extensions. Go to Chrome /extensions/ in your browser and try disabling all of them. Pay extra attention to VPNs, ad blockers, and privacy tools. These kinds of extensions are fantastic for privacy, but some of them block scripts that CAPTCHAs rely on to work. After you've turned extensions off, reload the page and try the CAPTCHA again. If it loads properly, you know it was an extension causing the issue. You can experiment turning them back on one at a time to find out which one was interfering. Up next, if you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off temporarily. CAPTCHAs are designed to block traffic from shared or suspicious IP addresses, and VPNs can sometimes trigger those filters accidentally. By disabling your VPN or proxy, you're telling the site you're browsing from your actual network, which is less likely to get flagged. Another thing you'll want to check is whether your version of Chrome is up to date. Outdated browsers can have glitches with how they display CAPTCHAs. Head over to Chrome/Settings Help, and Chrome will automatically check for updates. If you see any updates available, let Chrome install them and restart your browser. Keeping Chrome up to date also helps with security and overall performance, so it's always a good idea. If you've tried all those steps and CAPTCHAs are still refusing to load, try resetting Chrome settings to their defaults. Go to Chrome/settings/reset and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This won't delete your bookmarks, but it will revert things like your homepage, search engine, and disable extensions. Essentially, it puts Chrome back to a clean slate, which can often resolve nagging issues. Finally, check your network connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router, or, if you can, try switching to a different network, like mobile data. Sometimes CAPTCHAs flag your IP address as suspicious, especially if you've shared your network with lots of people or used public Wi-Fi for a while. And that's it. Most CAPTCHA issues are sorted by clearing cache, disabling extensions, or turning off your VPN, so give those steps a try first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or run into other Chrome errors, drop them in the comments below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. Remember to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your browsing.